Hello, this is Randy Smith, one of the owners and founders of Vicinity Software. I want to take just a minute to talk a little bit about something a little different than I normally do in most feature focus videos. In this case, to talk about Focus, our annual user conference here in Atlanta. Each year we host our clients, whoever would like to come out for a couple of days full of learning, sharing of information between you and Vicinity, but also between other organizations that are going to be on site. It's happening in March of this year with 19th and 20th, which is Wednesday and Thursday midweek in Atlanta for traditional Focus. Focus is a time for us to share what we've been working on, going through feature functionality that we've added to the application and clear up any confusion people might have. It also gives an opportunity for users to interact with us to bring ideas that they might like to see in the product and us be able to dialogue them with other users in the room so we can kind of really flesh out the requirement and see if there's something we can add. Then there's also the opportunity for you to network with others that are in attendance. About half of the people that are going to be there are food, about half of them are chemical. We're putting beverage in the food space. So you got a pretty good balance in that area. We also have kind of a pretty good balance between Great Plains Solomon users as well as Business Central Navision users. They're a little bit different in the way they handle some ERP items, and so given some breakout and some opportunity for you to speak directly with them and share some experience is something that we're adding actually into this Focus. Before Focus actually begins on the 18th, which is a Tuesday, we're having a full day training with 2 tracks. There's a track for those folks that are just starting and are fairly new to Vicinity or wanting to get some of the basics under control, components, formulas, batches, those type of things. That will be handled in one track, and then there will be another track for the more advanced topics and or advanced users, going deeper into some costing and scheduling and some reporting and things like that. So you actually have 2 different tracks that you could attend. You can only track, they're going to be doing simultaneously, so you'll have to pick one of those. But you may want to send a couple of people and one person go to the basic track and the other go to the advanced track. All of this comes to you as part of our Focus initiative and activity that we'd love to spend some time with you. The end of the session will be on Thursday about 1:30 in the afternoon, so you have plenty of time to travel out to get home by Thursday night for work or whatever you need to do on Friday. The hotel that we picked is in the perimeter area. That's what we call it up here in Atlanta. It's just outside of our perimeter. It is on the MARTA, the rapid rail, the I guess our limited mass transit. So it's right off of one of those stops, easy to get to the hotel, so you don't really need to have a car. And there's a lot of entertainment. There's seated right at a mall, a number of restaurants, etc. But there will be an evening activity that we'll all get together and have a meal together and share some time that's not really talking about software. So I'd really encourage you and your organization to give consideration to coming to Focus. It's really a great opportunity for all of us to get to know each other a little bit better, us to hear some of the things we've done well, but things we could also improve on. So I invite you to come out March the 19th and 20th for Focus, and come one day earlier, the 18th, for Bootcamp. So you probably want to arrive the evening of Tuesday the 17th, so we hit the ground running first thing in the morning on the 18th, and then we'll roll into Focus the next day. Anyway, we really hope to see you and look forward to spending some time with you and your organization. Thanks a lot and have a great day.